How can I safely stretch out shrunken polyester and spandex clothes?
Hello everyone! In this video, we'll be tackling a common problem many of us have faced: how to safely stretch out shrunken polyester and spandex clothes. These materials are often prone to shrinking due to improper washing or drying, but fortunately, there are ways to revive them. Let's dive in.
Why do polyester and spandex clothes shrink?
Polyester and spandex are synthetic fabrics made from petroleum products. They're commonly used because they're lightweight, durable, and resistant to most environmental conditions. However, they have one weakness: heat. Both materials can shrink when exposed to high temperatures, such as during washing or drying. Spandex is especially susceptible, as it's a type of elastomer that can become deformed under heat and not return to its original shape.
Can you stretch them back to their original size?
The short answer is yes, but with care. Unlike natural fabrics such as cotton or wool, polyester and spandex don't easily return to their original shape once they've been deformed. However, with the right technique and a gentle touch, you can help them regain some of their original size and fit.
How to stretch out shrunken polyester and spandex clothes?
Step 1. Soak the garment. Soak your shrunken garment in a solution of warm, not hot, water and hair conditioner or baby shampoo. The conditioner or shampoo will loosen up the fabric fibers, making it easier to stretch the garment. Step 2. Gently stretch the garment. After soaking for about 30 minutes, drain the water and begin gently stretching the garment. Be careful not to pull too hard, as this can cause the fabric to tear or become deformed. Step 3. Rinse and dry. Rinse the garment in cool water to remove any remaining conditioner or shampoo. Lay it flat on a towel and roll it up to remove as much water as possible. Then, lay it flat to dry, gently stretching it out as it dries to help it maintain its new shape. And there you have it, a simple and safe method to stretch out shrunken polyester and spandex clothes. Remember to always check the care label on your clothes before washing or drying to prevent shrinkage in the first place. And, of course, remember that this method can help restore some of the original size, but it may not be able to completely return the garment to its original size or shape. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy stretching!